Hello everyone, PM here again. In the last video, I introduced the OWASP Mobile Top 10 2024, and now, as I said, we are diving into the first of those 10 security issues, starting with number 1, the improper credential usage. We've actually covered this in earlier videos, particularly a video on Frida and root detection bypass. However, if you're new here or unsure how to set up your environment, please be sure to check those foundational videos first. I won't repeat the video setup or script breakdowns here, since that's already covered and is out of scope for this series. However, working on a series of videos dedicated to Frida instrumentation, so please stay tuned. So for this demo, we are using the OWASP Uncrackable Android APK. You will find the download link in the description below. Now, even though this application includes root detection, it's not important, or rather, it does not prevent our attack, because it only shows a message box after root is detected, and it doesn't crash instantly unless we click OK. So for this specific challenge, we can ignore the root detection part, because it's something we've actually covered before. So the app contains both the secret and the key hard-coded into the code, and that is our main focus in this video. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to extract the key from the hard-coded string, then decode the base64 encoded encrypted secret, and then pass both values into the decryption function before converting the resulting byte array into a readable string. So this is a classic improper credential usage scenario where sensitive values are stored directly in the code, making them trivial to extract via reverse engineering or instrumentation. So let's set up the Frida environment quickly on the emulator, or you can use a rooted device. So start the Frida server using ADB shell by issuing ADB shell command and including the path to the Frida server that is on our device or in our rooted device. For this case, it's a /data/local/tmp/Frida server 1659. That's for me. And then an ampersand. The last part is actually your Frida server file name. So whatever Frida server file name you have, that is what is supposed to go into the last part. Now, using Frida, we'll hook into the function responsible for handling the secrets. And here is how we attach our script by issuing command Frida-U-N uncrackable, which is a unique identifier of the application running in our device. Then -L uncrackme L1, which is an instrumentation script responsible for hooking into the functions that Frida is going to work on. You can name the script file anything you'd like. For me, uncrackme.l1.js is perfect. Once we run the script, Frida intercepts the function and we get the decrypted secret printed onto the console. And that is how easy actually this kind of vulnerabilities or bugs are exploited. So just to confirm, we are interacting with the actual application. We close the application and Frida loses token actions, as you can see. Once we bring up the app, the hook reestablishes after running the command again, confirming we are actually working with the right application. So this is an example of OWASP mobile number 1 risk, which is improper credential usage that entails hard-coded keys, reversible secrets, and zero access control around the decryption logic. We'll keep doing practical demos for the other OWASP risks in the upcoming videos. And that is what this channel is all about. It's about hands-on content. So thank you so much for watching and for reaching this end. That is it for now. Stay tuned. Until next time, stay safe and bye.